Hi everyone. Let's start today's class. It is chapter Some Application of Trigonometry exercise 9.1 part 1 I am explaining today. In part 1 there are from question number 1 to question number 5. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from a top of a vertical pole of the ground. A vertical pole and a rope it is. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Angle formed with the ground, horizontal line with the ground, is 30 degree. Okay, so it is angle of the observer. So from here we are saying, so it is the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the pole. Now AC is the rope, it is 20 meter, and AB is the vertical pole of height x meter it is. Okay, height x meter. Now C is the point on the ground to which the pole is tied. Now one right angle triangle we have got where B is the 90 degree and theta is 30 degree. So in this right angle triangle ABC, B is 90 degree, C is 30 degree. So AB upon AC, why I have taken AB or AC, not AB upon BC? Because there we have to take two sides, one which has given and another one which asked. Between these two we have to make the relation. Again I am repeating, one side we have to take that has given its value and another one which we have to find out the value. These two relation we have to take. So as that AB upon AC is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular of hypotenuse equal to sine 30 degree. And sine 30 degree we know it is, now substitute the value, AB is x and AC is 20 is equal sine 30 degree is half. Okay, as I have shown you by the finger you can find out. So it is half. So now it is cross multiply, x is equal 20 upon 2, it is 10. So height of the pole is 10 meter. Got it? Next question. A tree breaks due to storms and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. Now this is the whole AC is the length of the tree. The tree broken part from B, the broken part it touches the ground. So okay, it is, that means AB is equal to BA dash. This is the same, this part is broken and touches the ground at A dash. Okay, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches is 8 meter. So foot of the tree and the touches the ground, this distance is 8 meter has given. Find the height of the tree, total height you have to find out. Now this is the right angle triangle. First we have to observe the right angle triangle and then we have to see the given side and the to find out. So this side. So okay, these two relation we check it. First we have to give the description of this. AB is the upper part of the tree, AC. So okay, AB is the upper, AB be the upper part of the tree, this one. AC which bends from the point B. So okay, tree is AC which bends from the point B and top A touches the ground at A dash. Angle A dash is 30 degree and angle C is 90 degree. A dash C is equal to 8 meter and Now in triangle is, first you have to give the description in this way. Now in triangle BECA dash, BC upon CA dash, BC upon CA dash is equal, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 30 degree. Perpendicular upon base is tan 30 degree. Okay. So it is x upon BC's value is x and CA dash is 8. X upon 8 is equal to tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. X is equal 8 upon root 3, cross multiply it is 8 upon root 3. Now rationalize this part, but now no need to rationalize, you keep it in this way only. Now by Pythagoras theorem we have to find out AC. To find out AC we have to know the BC and BA dash. These two part add and it is equal to AC. So it is BA dash is equal under root, by Pythagoras theorem it is under root BC square plus AC square. So BC and AC's value you keep it here and it is coming 16 upon root 3 meter. Okay. Now AC is equal to 16 upon root 3 and 8 upon root 3. These two you add, it is getting, and then rationalize 24 upon root 3, rationalize it, it is 8 root 3 meter. So hence the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. Okay. Next question. A contractor plans to install two slides of the for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefer to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. So okay, this one is the smaller one for small children. And whereas for elder children, she wants to have a slide at a height of 3 meter, just its double, and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Okay, two slides are there. So in two slides, one by one, we have to see the calculation. Now, for the children below the age of 5 years, height of the slide AB, it is the height of the slide. Okay, and this is the slide. Got it? So AB is the height of the slide, it is 1.5 meter has given, and the length of the slide, it is, you take as x. So these two sides you have to make the relation of two sides with this angle. So it is hypotenuse and it is perpendicular. So in triangle ABC, AB upon AC is equal perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it is sin 30 degree. Okay. Now value of sin 30 degree and AB and AC you put it. AB is 1.5, AC is x and it is half. Sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2. So it is cross multiply. X is equal to 3 meter. So first slide is of 3 meter. Now next one. For the children above 5 years, height of slide is PQ is equal to 3 meter. So okay, it is a 3 meter, and the length of the slide, it's PR, you take as y meter. Okay, so that is, it is y meter. Now in these two relation we have to find out perpendicular upon hypotenuse equal tan 60 degree. Now tan 60 degree is 1 upon root 3 upon 2. Sorry, sin 60 degree, it is root 3 upon 2. So it is 3 upon y is equal to root 3 upon 2. Now cross multiply. Y is equal to, again reciprocal, and it is getting 2 root 3 meter. So hence the length of the slide is 2 root 3 meter for the elder children. Next question is question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. This height of the tower we have to find out. So, okay. So again description we have to write the tower AB, BH meter and a point C. So, okay. A point C which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is 30 meter. And now in triangle, this triangle angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 30 degree. So in triangle ABC, perpendicular upon base. So AB upon ABC is equal perpendicular upon base equal tan 30 degree. Now again substitute the value. H upon 30 is equal 1 upon root 3. H is equal to 10 root 3. You have to rationalize if any root value is as a denominator, that time you have to rationalize that. So it is 10 root 3 meter. Okay. So hence height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Next question is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This is the kite, a string temporarily attached to the ground at the point C. The inclination of the string with the ground, this angle, inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. This one you have to find out. Assuming that there is no slack in the string. Now angle B is 90 degree, C is 60 degree and the length of the string is x and the height of the kite is 60 meter as given. That description we have to write first. Next is in triangle ABC. AB upon BC is equal to tan 60 degree because perpendicular upon base is tan theta. So AB, B has base not given. AB upon AC, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it is sin 60 degree. Sin 60 upon x is equal to root 3 upon 2. Sin 60 degree root 3 upon 2. So it is x root 3 by cross multiply. X root 3 is equal to 120 and x is equal 120 upon root 3. It is rationalize again root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 into root 3 only 3. So 120 upon 3 it is 40 root 3. So it is height of the or length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. Thank you very much. In next part I will explain you from question number 6 to 6 onward. And please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.